ground starts to quiver. Glasses rattle. Soon, walls shift and everything begins to collapse. Telltale signs of what could be a devastating earthquake. We've seen the destruction they unleash. Some of us may have even lived through one. And we know they can be deadly.
What to do before, during, and after an earthquake.
Before, know how to use fire extinguisher. Learn to turn off gas, water, and electricity. Remove breakable objects in elevated places. Participate earthquake drills regularly. You must know the location of the emergency exit. During earthquake.
When an earthquake happens, immediately drop, cover, hold. Drop so you don't get knocked off your feet. Cover your head and neck. Get under a desk or a table if you can, and hold until after the shaking stops.
Remain calm as possible. Protect your head and body from falling debris. Stay in the open. Get into an area away from trees, building, walls, and power lines. Start head count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 to that number.
After earthquake. Help those who are struggling to evacuate, especially the PUD, children, pregnant women, and others. Use the stairs rather than using the elevator. Be careful of falling debris and expect aftershock. Check the water, gases, and electric lines for damage. If any are damaged, shut off the valves and report it to the authorities. Never use matches, lighters, or candle.
Saying goes, the best time to prepare for an earthquake is yesterday, the next best time is right now. This is only a brief introduction about what to do to prepare for an earthquake.
I know